In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Biometrics and Password. Then choose Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, hit Get Started, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark. When you finished, select Done. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!